How to fix forgotten messenger pin code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix forgotten messenger pin code on your iPhone. Now this also works for Android, so yeah, just let's get right into it. First thing you will need to do is open up your Messenger app. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you'll need to head over to the menu that is on the bottom right, or you can simply swipe from your left to right side. After you're on your settings, head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, you can just scroll down till you find privacy and safety option. Tap on privacy and safety, and there you should see different settings for your safety and privacy. Head over to end-to-end encrypted chats under security. Now right there you will find message storage. Tap on message storage. Now right there you will see security methods, and one of the options there will be reset pin. Now you can simply reset your pin. You do not actually need anything else to reset your pin. So all you need to do is tap on reset pin. Now I did not have the pin earlier, so I'll just create one now, and after you do that, you're basically good to go. Now if you want to change your pin, what you'll need to do is again follow this process, and after you follow the process, you can reset the pin right here. And that's how you fix the forgotten messenger pin code problem, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.